Okay, just need to look to see if I got any mud on my face. Hey, I've been working on this job here right now. These ceilings are beautiful, but I just wanted to show you a couple of things. Now, what I did was I boxed it. I ran the 12 box, and then I ran the mud runner, and I put in all the angles. Then I just picked the corners real quick to clean them up so they don't dry up. Pick the corners real quick. Then I had two types of mud set up, a thick mud and a thin mud. And I ran and skimmed all of the seams, all of the butt joints. I crossed off all of the butt joints. Crossed off all the butt joints, spotted all the screws, skimmed all the screws. I got everything up here ready to skim, detailed the angles out, stripped the corners, and then ran all of the high corner bead. Now look, I haven't ran any of the low corner bead now, but I did all of the high corner bead that I could reach off of stilts. Ran all of that. Now I jumped down on my, everything up here is ready to sand. Guys, it's all ready to sand in detail. I'll be doing that tomorrow. But now I'm going to jump down. I'm going to skim all of the low corner bead. That's all I'm going to do is skim the low corner bead because the high stuff is wet and I can lap into it and not have any damage. And then I'll spot the screws, cross off the angles, cross off the seams. I'll do all of the low stuff and the entire downstairs is ready to sand. But that's one of the ways I like to do it is get all of the high stuff done, especially when I'm working by myself, and then jump down, run the corner bead, and get all the low stuff done, and get out of here. You guys have a good day. Hey, I'm just coming to you and saying, if you really like these videos, subscribe, and if you really, really like these videos, share them with somebody else.